Hi everyone, I'm Gil. In this course, we're going to learn the basics of CSS, or cascading style sheets. It's one of the core technologies for designing and building websites and applications. No matter what kind of website or web application you want to build, you'll have to use CSS. Now, you might have already used CSS or seen it in action in a previous course. In this course, we're going to dive a little deeper into many of the core concepts of CSS. So what exactly is CSS, and why is it considered a core web technology? Well, CSS is a style sheet language that describes the presentation of web pages, whereas HTML is what forms the structural foundation of a web page. CSS is what we use to style the HTML with colors, backgrounds, font sizes, layout, and much more. Now, if you haven't written a lot of CSS, or if you've never written CSS at all, don't worry. That's what this course is for. We'll start with basic CSS concepts, then gradually progress to more advanced topics and lessons. But before diving into CSS, it's important to have a basic understanding of HTML and the structure of a document. So if you're not familiar with HTML, go through our HTML courses first, then meet me right back here in CSS Basics. To get familiar with the most important parts of CSS, we're going to style the HTML structure of a simple landing page for the beautiful city of Lake Tahoe, California. First, we'll learn the different ways we can apply CSS to a page. Then we'll start adding those nice design layers to our page with basic selectors, common CSS properties and values. We'll even use some of the latest features in CSS. Writing good, efficient CSS takes a lot of practice and careful consideration about how we write our code from the very beginning. So follow along closely, take good notes, and make sure you also take a look at the teacher's notes for each video, because they'll provide additional information and resources about each topic. By the end of this course, you'll be a few steps closer to being a CSS pro. Are you ready? Then let's get started.